Are you ready to level up your horse drawing skills? In this video, we'll dive into the tactical tips and tricks that will help you master the art of drawing horses. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1. Begin with basic shapes and proportions. Use circles, ovals, and rectangles to outline the body and head of the horse. Pay attention to the ratios and angles to achieve accurate proportions. This foundation will serve as a solid starting point for your horse drawings. Tip number 2. Familiarize yourself with horse anatomy and skeletal structure. Study the placement and proportions of the legs, head, and body. Learn about the different muscle groups and how they affect the horse's form. Understanding the underlying anatomy will enable you to create more realistic and dynamic horse drawings. Tip number 3. Capture the essence of the eyes and facial expressions. Horses have expressive eyes that communicate emotion. Pay attention to their shape, size, and placement. Study reference images to observe the way the eyes reflect light and the horse's mood. Adding this level of detail will bring life to your horse drawings. Tip number 4. Emphasize dynamic movement and poses. Horses are known for their graceful and powerful movements. Experiment with various poses to convey their energy and elegance. Study reference photos or observe horses in action to capture the unique gaits and postures. Highlight the fluidity of their motion in your drawings. Tip number 5. Pay attention to intricate details and textures. Horses have distinct features like their mane, tail, and hooves. Focus on the fine details, adding texture and depth to your drawings. Use precise lines and shading techniques to create realistic fur, hair, and other textures that make your horse drawings come alive. Tip number 6. Practice and experiment relentlessly. Keep a sketchbook dedicated to horse drawings and commit to regular practice. Try different techniques, such as cross-hatching, stippling, or blending, to add variety and depth to your artwork. Don't be afraid to push your boundaries and explore new approaches. There you have it, a set of tactical tips and tricks for drawing horses. Remember, mastering horse drawing takes time and dedication. Focus on the fundamentals, study anatomy, and continually challenge yourself. With each stroke, you'll improve your skills and develop your unique style. If you found these tactical tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more art-related content. Share your horse drawings and let us know which tip resonated with you the most. Stay focused, keep practicing, and may your horse drawings gallop with excellence. Until next time, happy creating!